Yeah, welcome everybody. Happy to see such an interest in the EBC standard update. Yeah. First, I would like to start with an overview. So we had quite a few updates. First, some adjustments regarding the analysis requirements. Also updated certification classes, then the alignment with the global biochar C-Sync regarding the energy efficiency calculation, further the country annexes for Austria and Switzerland were updated, and last but not least, we had a small update regarding permissible biomass or a certification scheme called SURE we now accept for forest biomass. Yes, so basically we have regarding the analysis requirements, three major updates. First is the TGA thermography metric analysis is now optional since yeah, with for example electric conductivity as well as carbon content comparison to ash content, we can now evaluate the pyrolysis temperature as well. Further, we have new or updated rules regarding dioxins and furanes, which now only must be analyzed if the PAH 8 or EFSA 8 EFSA PAH contamination is above 1 milligram per kilogram. The threshold values for dioxins and furanes have not changed. And last but not least, we have a new REACH analysis package. The parameters are shown in the table here to the right. This package is additional to the EBC basic package, and the baseline for this analysis package is the Colstar charcoal SIP. And what it basically states is that we now ask the endorsed laboratories to offer this analysis package to make it easier for European producers or producers that want to export their biochar to Europe to get the REACH registration with their EBC analysis. Yeah, further, we have updated requirements regarding the certification classes. First of all, we have renamed the first two classes from consumer materials to materials and EBC basic materials to EBC basic. Then as well, we have updated the feed classes. So there is now only the EBC feed plus, but still we have a phase out for the EBC feed class. So there is still the possibility for producers to be certified under EBC feed up to the end of 2026. And then we also have updated the threshold values for lead and cadmium. It was lowered to 5 grams or 0.5 grams per ton to be in line with the European feed regulation. And as well, we have implemented a rule for micronutrient fertilization for zinc and copper. So if the threshold values for the three classes, EBC agro-organic, agro or urban, exceed the threshold values stated in this table here, then there is still the possibility to get their biochar certified under these classes and sell it as micronutrient fertilizer. Further, we have aligned the energy efficiency requirements with the global biochar C-Sync. So now produces facilities that are certified under EBC must meet a minimum energy efficiency of 60%. This basically means that all or at least 60% of the energy that goes into the pyrolysis system must be utilized through the pyrolysis products, so like biochar, maybe drying of feedstock, or electric or thermal energy that is produced. Then we have updated the country annexes for Austria and Switzerland. Now the EBC biochar that is incorporated into or is produced in Austria and incorporated into Austrian soils must be in line with the Austrian fertilizer legislation, which basically means that EBC Urban now also has to meet the 16 EPA pH limit value of 6 milligram per kilogram. Yes, and in Switzerland, there was an update regarding the application of biochar in the agriculture. And now the Federal Office of Environment requires 4 biochar analyses per year. If a company is EBC certified, then these 4 analyses can be replaced with 1 EBC analysis, and there is also the possibility that CSI is handing in this analysis for the producer. Yeah, still this has not changed, but the feedstock requirements or 16 EPA pH contamination is also specified to certain feedstocks or to 4 milligram per kilogram. Yeah, and last but not least, as already mentioned in the beginning, we now accept sure verified biomass alongside with PEFC and FSC for the proof of sustainable forest biomass. Thank you.
Okay, so I think I'm going to close this webinar now. Damian, do you have any last words you want to say about the EBC standard?
Maybe not regarding especially EBC, but yeah, if you have further questions, you're always happy. I'm always happy to answer these questions. So you're welcome to reach out to us and ask these questions, yeah, via service@carbonstandards.com.
Yeah, okay. So thank you from my end as well. I was very happy to host this meeting. If you ever consider using your EBC certified biochar in a C-Sync project, you will most likely be in contact with me, as I'm the product manager for the Global Biochar C-Sync standard. And I wish you a wonderful rest of the day. Thank you for participating.
Bye-bye.